Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, October 5th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather stays like summertime this weekend. Rain chances increasing next week, and the tropics are heating up. We might wind up with a tropical storm in the Gulf of Mexico by early next week. So let's take a look at things. The sprawling upper high continues to be the big story, parked across the deep south. Sinking air, and again, we've got fair weather cumulus clouds, but hardly any showers across the state today. It'll be the same deal tomorrow. Maybe a little bump in the number of scattered storms Sunday, but most locations will stay dry tomorrow. About 10 degrees above average again. 90 for Decatur, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston. 89 for Gadsden. We'll stay very warm over the weekend. And up north, it's very cold with 30s and 40s this afternoon over parts of North Dakota and Minnesota. And again, that cool air is going to make it. We all know that. It's a matter of when. And the model's still indicating it's 7, 8, 9, 10 days out. There's the watch warning map. Flash flood watches for Chicago, Milwaukee, and points to the west. Severe storms a possibility today and tonight from West Texas up through parts of the southern plains. We're dry. This is tomorrow, and this is Sunday. A risk of severe storms well to the west. Most of Alabama dry Sunday with only isolated showers. Rain for the next 7 days, big numbers across the southern plains. In our state, rain amounts about 2 inches for southeast Alabama, under 1 inch for the north. And with a tropical system in the Gulf, we'll just see how that plays out. That might be an issue by the end of next week, as you'll see. Speaking of the tropics, let's take a look. Got Leslie, a tropical storm out in the middle of the Atlantic, no threat to land, and a tropical low that is near the coast of Central America. First off, Leslie will be drifting to the east and then southeast, far from land. The disturbance in the Caribbean with a 70% chance of becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm in about 3 to 5 days. So needless to say, we'll keep an eye on that. We'll take a look at modeling. This is Invest 91L. And we're just starting to see some of the models pick this up. We've got a few that bring it up this way toward Pensacola. The GFS favors the Florida Big Bend region, Appalachia Bay, but it's very early in the game. We simply don't know yet. We need to get the thing organized and get some better initialization here. Let's look at the GFS 12Z run. This is valid tomorrow at 1, and this is at 500 millibars. The upper high still on top of us, cold trough in the west, and the weather's not going to change much. Highs up around 90, lots of sun, showers should be few and far between. Sunday, pretty much the same deal. Maybe the moisture is smidgen deeper, but partly sunny, upper 80s, widely scattered showers. Monday looks pretty dry, and we note the tropical system down there in the Yucatan Channel. We'll keep an eye on that. Let's go to Tuesday. Tropical system churning northward, and then Wednesday, the GFS brings it to a point around Apalachicola or Panama City as a tropical storm. And then Thursday, it pushes the system up through Georgia and South Carolina. If this happens to be correct, and we don't know, then Alabama would be on the dry side. But this is nothing but wild speculation at this point. Let's check the European. This is Thursday of next week, and it's slower, and it brings it into a point near Pensacola as a tropical storm. So there's very strong evidence from the models here. We could have a tropical system on the central Gulf Coast by Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of next week. So just something to watch if you're headed down that way. Let's go to a week from today. This is Friday the 12th. Back to the GFS. The ridge flattens. Trough continues in the west. Big storm cranks up over the southern plains with big snows for the Rockies again. Let's go out 10 days. Monday the 15th. Again, the westerlies are dipping to the south. That looks pretty quiet. And look at the numbers coming down. Still 80s next week, and then 70s and 60s after that as we get out there toward mid October. So cool fans, that's something to look forward to. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be posted here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. If you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.